Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect with CoCounsel for AI legal assistance step by step clearly. To connect with CoCounsel for AI legal assistance, first, open your preferred web browser. In the address bar, type in the official CoCounsel website URL and press enter. Once the website loads, navigate to the Get Started or Sign Up section. Click on the link to create a new account or log in if you already have one. If signing up, fill in all the required fields, including your name, email address, and password. After entering your information, review the terms and conditions, then check the box to agree. Click on the Create Account button to submit your information. Check your email inbox for a verification email from CoCounsel. Open the email and follow the verification link to activate your account. Once your account is activated, return to the CoCounsel website. Log in using your newly created credentials. After logging in, you may be prompted to complete your profile information. Fill in any additional information required, such as your area of practice or specific legal needs. Once your profile is complete, explore the available AI legal assistance services. Select the service that best meets your legal requirements. Follow the prompts to connect with the AI assistant of your choice. If needed, you can access tutorials or help resources for further guidance. Once connected, start interacting with the AI to receive assistance tailored to your legal queries. Remember to take notes or save important information during your session. After your session, feel free to log out when you are finished. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.